Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of May. And first of all, national news. Tribunal notice to SpiceJet on foreign aircraft lessors insolvency request. Private space companies in India prepared for lift off. 5 cheetahs to be moved out of larger enclosures at Madhya Pradesh Kunu. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met US counterpart in Saudi Arabia. Aditya Birla Group to develop 3,000 crore housing project in Bangalore. Now international news. Unprecedented heat as the El Nino weather pattern hit parts of Asia. Twitter's unpaid bills threaten to be an even bigger problem for Elon Musk. Taiwan in talks for $500 million weapons package from US. Mystery Chinese spacecraft returned to Earth after 276 days, our report said. Need nothing less, Biden renewed arms control call after US mall shooting. UN food body to suspend aid to Palestinians due to severe fund shortage. Uzbekistan president calls snap presidential election. Turkey's opposition denounced fairness of vote under Erdogan. And now some sports news. Hockey India names 20-member women's team for Australia to Savita to lead. Ishan Kishan named KL Rahul's replacement in India's World Test Championship final squad. Surya Kumar Yadav in standby list. Macmillan selling club need Champions League football to retain top players. Ashley Westwood. Murray won first title since 2019 to boost Wimbledon seeding bid. Now news related to business. Rupee rose 8 paise to rupees 81.70 against US dollar. Sensex rose 391 points. Nifty climbed 107 points to 18,176. Air India VRS Tata owned airline extended last date to May 31st. Pakistan economic crisis. Hajj quota surrendered to Saudi Arabia for first time in 75 years. Investors' wealth climbed over rupees 2.27 lakh crore as markets rally. News from Science. Scientists reconstruct skull of tadpole like ancient predator. NASA developing snake-like robot to discover life on Saturn's moon. Scientists revealed what's inside the moon in new findings. And that's all in news. Thank you.